Alright, this is for my redemption for losing the Wyndham deal and not closing it last quarter. We're gonna eat balut, not ox tongue. Wait a minute.
You're ready?
I'm nervous. Is it this way?
Yeah. There.
Mine's harder, I think.
Yeah, it's really hard there.
That's all I need to do?
Yep.
Like that much? Alright.
Oh my god.
You totally changed yours. It's like no water. Mine's
You
like
can do it, Jeremy.
Dude, mine's like falling out.
No. You wanna change? Don't look at it. Do you wanna switch?
Come on.
Come on, like why does yours not have so much stuff in it?
No, because she broke it the wrong side. Broke it the other way.
Oh, so that's actually the shit.
Yeah. No, that's the hard part.
Alright.
Eat the white one.
Okay, first. So wait, so
That's first.
I'm done.
That's first. No, that's first. Drink. You have to drink.
I'm done. I just need to drink this and then
Say hi.
Man, I'm getting nervous about
Okay,
this.
we're back to the main man.
Grace. Holy crap. Alright. Do I need to make a bigger hole or is that a... Don't show me yours. Holy crap. Like, I just saw what yours looks like because you came on the wrong... Alright.
Just drink this
Are
one.
we ready?
Drink this one.
Okay.
This one is dry.
Nothing's dry now.
You have to sip it. You have to suck it. There.
Oh, Jeremy.
Oh, I need a bigger hole. I can't do, that's too much work. I have to suck it. I'm making my hole bigger. Holy crap, Ola. Alright, okay, that's a bigger hole. I can see a brain, I think. Alright. Ready? Okay, I think all the water's gone.
Wow, becoming shaky. Feel like
Okay, now what do I gotta do next?
so you have to feel.
I am like very, very nervous about this.
And then you remove the hard part to see. I don't eat the hard part. And now this is what you're gonna swallow.
So mine doesn't look like it's in the same place as yours.
Yep, I cracked it the wrong way.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, look at Grace. Oh, she has it.
So you're just like taking a bite. Oh, you haven't done this the liquid yet. Dennis, I think you should get a close up of this thing.
Yeah.
This one, Dennis.
Oh my gosh. I should have probably had someone else peel this thing. Oh my gosh. It's like
Let me help
huge.
you.
Grace, this is like the biggest. Dude, this is like not a tiny chicken. This is like a giant chicken.
It's tiny.
Holy crap. I think I just saw like a feather.
You not look at it.
Yeah, or say you should eat it in the jar.
I can't get it out. It's so much shell. This egg's never had so much shell.
You don't eat the white part.
Oh, you don't eat this?
Yeah.
I'm glad you told me that. I thought I had to eat this entire thing.
No, this one you leave this because this is hard. Like,
So this I don't eat. Oh, that is
Yeah,
hard.
yeah.
That's like a rock. Thank goodness you told me that. I never could have chewed that.
yeah.
We're just doing it. Let's just do it. Gotta get it out of here.
Oh my god.
Holy crap. Should we change up? No, let's not change up.
Okay.
Okay.
You sure I don't bite this thing?
No.
I'm so nervous. Right, ready?
You can do it.
Ready?
Let's just do it.
Okay,
Alright.
one.
How do I get it apart from this?
Look.
like
Just hold on, like don't bite.
I just need it.
Yeah.
So I just like take it off in my
Yep.
mouth, huh?
Yep. Go, Jeremy. Oh my god. Good coach. Coach and Grace. Yay!
You did it. You wanna say something?
I raised the stakes, Cormac. goodness.